Welcome back friends. Today in this video I will show you how to check pregnancy and how we are checking pregnancy in laboratory, and what is the difference between checking pregnancy in laboratory and the home, and which important point you have to notice when you are checking pregnancy in home or you are giving sample in laboratory. So first of all, these are pregnancy kit. This is CTK company. Every kit is coming with dropper and card. The result reading is same for every type of kit. Either it is available in pharmacy or either it is available in labs. How we will read the result, that you have to watch until the end of the video. And these cards we will keep at room temperature. Storage is room temperature, and you can see these disposable droppers are coming with the kit. And always read the kit literature, because in laboratory we are checking by two methods, by serum blood method and by urine method. And for blood we need serum, and urine obviously we need urine sample, and that sample try to collect in the sterile container. Now for serum, why I told you to read the kit literature, because in some kits they are demanded only serum sample, but some kits for them plasma is also recommended. So first for this kit what I am using CTK, I will show you in literature it's mentioned that without any anticoagulant you have to use the serum. This is the kit literature. The important points are the specimen, reading time and methods. As you can see, urine. Now the important point that I told you, that when you are checking pregnancy in home or when you are giving sample in lab, try to give first morning urine sample, because HCG level is good or high in morning time in first urine sample as compared to the throughout the day sample. And next is serum. As you can see here, it's written that specimen collecting tube containing no anticoagulants for serum. So, and the reading time is if you are not checking the specimen same day, then you can keep 2 to 8 degrees centigrade for 5 days. And the method is, as you can see, that we have to label. First of all, we have to keep the kit or specimen at room temperature. Then we have to open the foil of the card and label either with the name or ID number. After that we have to add 2 to 3 drops of serum or urine, and after 5 to 10 minutes we will read the result. If negative result, only C line will be appear, but if in positive result, C and T line also will appear. C means control line and T means test line. And if there is no line available in the card, if no line will appear, it means card is invalid, or if C line also not appear, it means card is invalid. So this is the specimen urine sample, and as I told you, always try to take sterile container. The difference between in home and lab is that in lab we are using urine and serum both, but in home, as you know, that every blood collection is not possible. So in home only we can check pregnancy by urine sample. So this is the serum that I told you. Now we will open the card and we will label, and then we will add 2 to 3 drops for serum in the card. As I can show you, if serum is not available, urine, same method. Either you can add 2 to 3 drops of serum or 2 to 3 drops of urine. Why we need serum pregnancy test? Because those females who are taking specially treatment for pregnancy or their cases are sensitive, then it's recommended to check first pregnancy test in serum, because in blood HCG level will detect first as compared to urine. So that's why serum pregnancy is recommended. But if normal cases, you can check pregnancy in home by urine method also, no problem. Now we will read the result after 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, as you can see, that for this patient only C line, mean that line must have to appear, that is control line, that appeared, and in front of T there is no line. It means the result is negative. Now I will show you two more cards that will, you can see the comparison of positive and negative pregnancy. In first card you can see that the line appear is in front of C and in front of T, it means positive, and the line appear only in front of C, it means negative. So if you are checking pregnancy in home, also just check after 10 minutes line appeared in both. If two lines appeared, it means positive. If one line appear in front of C, it means negative. But if one line appear in front of T only, it means card is invalid. Second important point is that after 10 minutes, if you have to not read the result, but if after 10 minutes if you see the weak line appeared in front of T, then it's recommended to check the pregnancy after few days, almost after 1 week. And if after 1 week also it's coming same like that, then it's better recommended to check the HCG hormone level. And mostly cases who are taking the treatments like IVF or sensitive cases, for them it's better to check directly HCG hormone. Otherwise, normally we are doing pregnancy test by by serum and urine method. And now you understand why we need serum. As I told you that if you want to detect the early pregnancy, or if if the female miss her periods and then after it is like 7 days above or past, that time it's better to check by serum. And if any female have good HCG level, then it will appear in urine also. But mostly first pregnancy HCG level will be detected in serum method, then it will come in urine. And so this is the rapid method to check the HCG level. In pregnancy card we are checking basically what HCG level. So this is the rapid method to check the pregnancy test. Thank you so much. I will meet you with new video and new lecture as soon as possible. Keep watching. Take care.